Hi everyone, I'm Jehanya from SNS Academy. I'm going to teach about the circulatory system. Circulatory system in our body is a predominant organ system that helps in many of the activities. So let us discuss in detail about the circulatory system today, and I'm going to show you what are the main organs of the circulatory system, what are their functions, and what exactly it does within our body. Come on, let's go. So here I have the entire body system, and when you take this, the human circulatory system is depicted here. So this is the main organ. So the main organ of the circulatory system is the heart. It is a muscular organ. So the heart is a muscular organ and it is about the size of our fist. So it will be here. So you can see very well here. So it is a muscular organ. It is a conical shaped organ that you can see here. And it is protected by the rib cage. Okay. So it is in the central, somewhat towards the left side. So it goes on pumping and the pumping never stops. Yes. So it needs the contraction and the expansion activity. So the heart is actually a muscular organ which is made up of a special type of muscle called as the cardiac muscle. So here I am going to show the specimen of this is a preserved specimen. Okay, this is actually the heart of a sheep. You can see the valves here. Okay, these are all the arteries that you can see here, and this is actually the organ. So the heart is made up of important type of muscle called as the cardiac muscle. So it is made up of the cardiac, special type of muscle called as the cardiac muscle. So which will help in the relaxation and the expansion of the heart. And next one if you are going to see, the other thing is the blood. Blood is a fluid tissue that you can find inside our body. So blood is a primary important tissue that is connected to the circulatory system. It is a fluid tissue. It can flow within our body. And how is this possible? It is possible because of these other types of tubes which are present in our body called as, you can see the red color tube-like structure, pipe-like structure, yes, and the blue color pipe-like structures. And the red color ones are called as the arteries. Just like the water pipe that carries the water to the necessary places, even in our body we have tube-like structures called as the arteries which can take the blood from our heart to all parts of the body. So for the arteries, action can be like this. This can be the heart, and from the heart it is taken to all the parts of the body. So that is done by this artery. So artery will carry the oxygenated blood. Okay, it carries the oxygenated blood from our heart to all parts of our body. So it carries the pure blood. Okay. So the blood has to reach all the cells. So it carries from the heart to all parts of the body. Similarly, there will be waste products. Why is this artery should carry the blood from the heart to all parts of the body? To supply, like the Swiggy man supply. So why the blood has to be carried from the heart to all parts of the body? So it has to take the oxygen from the lungs to all parts. Similarly, the digested end products need to be transported to each and every part of our body. Every cell should get it. Energy we need, right? So all those, it has to be transported to all the parts. So it is done with the help of arteries, which are thick walled vessels or tube-like structures. So from the heart, it will be transported to all parts of the body. Similarly, when you take in the cells, there are toxic substances, okay, the byproducts of cellular oxidation. For example, you can take carbon dioxide is being produced. Can it be within our body? No. So it has to be transported back to the other organs for excretion. So as we have seen that the arteries will carry all the very important material from the organs to all parts of the body. For example, oxygen is transported from the lungs to all parts of the body. Similarly, the digested food is transported from the intestine to all parts of the body. So during cellular oxidation, what happens? Carbon dioxide is produced, and that is a toxic substance that is present inside the cell, that is produced inside the cell as a result of cellular oxidation. So it has to be removed. So from the cells, the carbon dioxide, water will be removed with the help of the blood tissue. Similarly, it will be given to the lungs for exhalation of the carbon dioxide, or it may be taken to the skin cells to for the water to be disposed, or the toxic substances to be disposed outside, or it may be taken to the kidneys to be disposed outside. So the circulatory system works together with the help of the pumping action of the heart, the tube-like structures called the arteries, and the veins and the capillaries, and the very important fluid tissue, the blood tissue. Thank you.